We are now going to see how to prepare algebra in short time. Maths is a dreaded subject. Some people say maths stands for mentally affected teachers harassing students. And in Hindi, there goes a saying that "Meri Atma tujhe hamesha satayegi." But anyway, these are jokes apart. Mathematics is a dreaded subject for many students, particularly who have not practiced their basic operations properly in early life of study. If somebody knows the basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and percentage properly, and if the concepts of fractions, indices, and variables are properly known, preparing algebra in short time is fairly possible. It's only a matter of understanding the equations, understanding the inequalities, what is greater than, what is less than, the number line, the polynomials, and your equations, quadratic equations, the linear equations, the derivation, and also all these kind of problems dealing in algebra, they can be fairly easily understood if we focus on making the key concepts and key formulas from these topics. The word problems are even much easier to understand because they are application oriented, and if we apply the real concept of the word problems in real life, we will be able to see how easy it becomes to prepare algebra in short time. Let us see a small sample how we can prepare a topic of algebra in short time. Let us, for example, consider this topic, quadratic equations. Now, when I am supposed to understand quadratic equations, I should understand the word why quadratic has been mentioned. I should glance through the whole textbook. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, as I told you, you have to go through the whole textbook and see what all is given. You have to look at the solved examples, how they are solved, and then you have to look at the exercises. You have to, in the first exercise, it's given here that you have to check whether these are quadratic equations. That means we need to understand how to identify a quadratic equation. That's all a part of this first exercise. Then finding a solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. The headline is given. That means here we will find out the method how by factorization we can find the roots or solutions of the given quadratic equation. If alpha and beta are the roots, how we have supposed to find them by factorization method. So reading this, we can get the solved example. Depending on what examples are given, solved examples are given, we can solve the further exercises. Whatever important difficult questions are there, you can ask your school teachers or your coaches or tutors to guide you about the tough questions. You can mark them so that you can prepare those only in the exam time in short time. So marking the important questions is also one step in understanding or preparing in short time. So see here, understanding these concepts in short explains all the topics. Then towards the later part of this chapter, we are given even more bigger and more deeper word problems. See like this, for example. And again, here let us see in this exercise. This is an example where a motorboat whose speed is 18 km in still water takes 1 hour to go upstream and return downstream. So these are real life cases that we have in algebra. If we take interest in the real life cases, we can really prepare ourselves in short time. So see here, there are cases related to maths, marks, there are cases related to numbers, train speed, water taps, trains, circles, squares, all applications of day-to-day lives are given. So if we take interest in finding the answer, we can really prepare for these topics in short time. So that's how algebra can be prepared in short time. We only need to be master at understanding variables, the indices, the fractions, and the four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, along with percentage. that will be a big help in understanding and explaining algebra in short time. Remember, you have to read algebra from the solved examples and then apply the same formula to the unsolved ones, and that's the key to solving in short time.